If you remove the cable rewind from your Henry vacuum cleaner, inside you will see two contact rings that the rewind sits on top of. These will have a little bit of grease on, and I'm always asked, what grease is this? Do I need to add more, and how much grease should there be? So today, this video is to answer those questions. So what kind of grease is it? Well, it's nothing special, it's just a multi-purpose grease. It's there just to lubricate things, so when the whole thing's spinning, it's not wearing away at the contact springs. It can be something like a lithium grease, or if you like, a silicone grease. Don't use copper grease. I have found the perfect little tube of this multi-purpose grease for you, so you're not spending a fortune. It's like £2.50 delivered on Amazon. So do I need to add more grease? Well, in most cases, not really. If you go to your vacuum cleaner and you feel that the contacts are a little bit dry, there's often a little bit of grease around the edge. You can just take a little bit of that and smear it on the contacts. There's no need to buy a new tube. However, if the grease is all dirty and stuff like that, then it's worth taking it off and putting some new one on. Or if you're working on one that's like 30 or 40 years old and it's totally dry, then I would put a little bit on. So how much grease do you use? Well, basically, not a lot. This tube is going to last forever. We need like a pea size of grease on the fingertip, and we're just rubbing it onto the contacts. It just needs to be a light smear on top of it. We're not clogging it all up. Remember, these things have got to make electrical contact, so we're not trying to put a layer of grease between the two. We're just putting a little layer. And before I go, my final little tip, if you've got your cable rewind out and you've got a can of silicone spray knocking around, just spray that on the rollers inside and a little bit around, and basically that makes the whole thing run really, really smooth. I hope this video has helped. If you're here and you're wanting to replace a rewind contacts on your Henry, that video is just here. If you're here because you're replacing the cable, that video is one of my first videos. It's a bit shocking and it's just here.